You will be stuck with me because I won't sign the papers. If mom is still here, she will be unhappy and mad.
No, I can put them up.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Katatapos lang natin naligo. Hindi ko alam kung ano ng oras. Pero ngayon, mag-blow dry tayo ng buhok. Anyway, good morning. So ngayon, naliligo ako. Gusto ko lang maligo. Gusto kong malinis. At also, may lakad din tayo. Magpunta tayo sa punta tayo sa tindahan. Itong damit na ito, palaging tumataas. Enjoy your shower. Okay, guys. Leave lang natin yan dyan kasi bawal yung mga shoes dito. Look at this, son.
It's a light diffuser, so you don't get harsh light.
Yeah, but the real light over here is yellow. It's not a good one for filming.
It's supposed to be. Those are the special lights for us.
No, it's not.
Oh, those are not the white lights? You change them?
Yeah. Sabi pa niya, oh, I like your necklace. I like your necklace, hon. I said, are you sure this is real? Anyway, so yun, aalis lang. Maglagay lang ako ng konting foundation, guys. And yun. And aalis tayo. Sabi pa niya, tama ako, han. Sabi ko, oh, gusto ko lang hit and run. Gusto ko lang madali. Pero sabi niya, okay, sama ka. Bahala ka. Ligo agad siya. Kasi, ewan ko, gusto talaga niya sama. Ayaw ata niya ako mag-isa. Alam nyo, ipakita ko pala sa inyo, guys. Sinabi ko, diba, kung ano yung color yung eyeshadow na inano ko. Simple lang talaga siya na ano ko siya kay Michelle Fan. Nakita ko siya, nag-live si Michelle Fan sa Instagram. And then, nakaano lang ako, nanonood lang ako sa kanya. And then, yun. Ipakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos nito. Uy, I forgot to buy, Doughy Finish, siya. Setting spray. Palagi ko siyang ginagamit. Ginagamit ko to is siya parang sobrang dry yung mukha ko, ginaganon ko after all the makeup. And then ito, lately, ginagamit ko siya sa brush. Kasi maganda yung brush wet kapag maglagay ka ng foundation. Or sponge. Ito, ganito. Marami akong ganito pero hindi ko ginagamit. Maganda itong gamitin. Pero hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Marami ako dyan. Maganda din yan gamitin. And then maganda din itong brush gamitin. Yung powder na ginagamit ko paminsan, maganda itong powder na to. Ano to siya, guys? Professional loose powder. Loose powder. Anong brand ba to? Nakalimutan ko da. Translucent loose powder. Yung pangalan nito, iwan ko. Ginagamit ko yan siya pag summer. Paminsan gamitin ko sa, winter. Paminsan kapag may lang, gusto ko lang mag-stay yung powder sa mukha ko. And ito, kailangan ko ding bumili kasi kunti na, may makikita mo na sa loob. Ito siya, Maybelline, Unbelievable Brow. Ito yung pong ginagamit ko. Ito siya, Morphe, guys. Morphe. And paminsan, ito yung ginagamit ko. Pixie from, It's Judy Time. Okay? Ito siya. Pero lately, ang ginagamit ko itong si Morphe. Matagal na ito, guys. Kailangan ko siyang gamitin kasi hindi talaga siya nagagamit. I-open natin siya. Pag open natin, maraming color. Diba? Maraming magagandang color. And ang color na ginagamit ko, guys, is ito. Ito siya. Walang pangalan. Look, ito kita ninyo, yung color niya, diba? Maganda yung color niya. Kailangan ba? So, yan siya. Ito siya yung color na ginagamit ko. Ito. Tak, 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 tak. Para walang And then, very light yung ko, guys. Sobrang light. parang parang pro. Pero ito yung talaga. Palagi naman ako nagme-makeup noon, pero yun. So, yun. Sobrang light lang talaga, guys. Sa eyelid lang siya, guys. Inon. Ganon. Kita? Yan. Sobrang light. Back and forth, light. Kuha ka na naman. Huwag masyadong ramihan para hindi ka maging parang may black eye. Sobrang light lang yung hawak ng brush at saka sa pag-brush ng ano mo, eyelid, huwag masyadong idiin. Dahan-dahan lang lahat. Kaunti lang guys ha, sa ilalim para hindi tayo maging ano. Ayun, konti. Sa ilalim. Yan. Lego na si Mister guys. And yun, dahil diba para siyang ano, yan, ang gagawin mo, ikukuha ka ng brush. Yung brush na hindi mo ginagamit palagi. So, ang gagawin mo is parang i-brush lang siya para hindi siya harsh tignan. Yan. Look. And next, ang gagawin ko next is yung mga shimmer dito sa ibabaw. I don't know if you can see, may mga shimmer dito. Ang ginagamit ko is ito paminsan. And then ito. So, mamili lang ako ito or ito. So, ang gagawin natin, kamayin itong sa finger. Ganunin. And then, sa ibabaw ng, sa eyelid talaga, sa pinaka-eyelid. Yan sa gitna lang. Konti, add. And then, para hindi harsh tignan, gananin lang niya. Ganan. Kapag yung ilong ninyo is hindi masyadong mataas like mine, nagkanat lang ang agi, kumakanat kahit saan. Itong pinaka-brown, ito, matagal na to guys. Matagal na. Hanap lang kayo ng mga ganyang color. Ilagay niyo yung dalawang kamay. Ganunin ninyo. Tignan niyo yung ilong ko. And one of my favorite also is itong e.l.f. na palette. Ito siya, kita nyo naman. Gamit na gamit. Ito siya yung pinakagamit ko talaga. Look. Oopsie. Look, ito siya. Look. Sobrang light lang talaga kasi hindi naman ako mag-grocery lang naman tayo, diba? Tapos na tayo. Yan lang siya, guys. Simple lang yun sa mata ko. Yan. Ganun. So, let's go downstairs. Kakain muna tayo, guys. Kakain lang ako. Mamaya na ako mag-lipstick, mag-toothbrush pa. And I will see you guys later. Diba? Simple lang yung sa mata, guys. Simple lang siya. Wala siyang sobrang kadramahan.
Nagawan tayo ng balkon nito. Magano ka na eh.
Nakalimutan namin guys na mayroon pa palang yung hakot namin yung buhok ko ba. Pabayaan ko na yung buhok ko. Hindi ko na i-ano siya. I-iron kasi kung pag-iron tayo ng iron, pabayaan lang natin siyang mabuhaghag yung buhok. Diba nag-ano kami hakot? Meron pala sa ano, sa sasakyan, meron pa. And ang kailangan ko lang gawin is kunin siya dahan-dahan, guys.
Several bad puns later.
Hi guys. I'm wearing the thing that I gave to Tommy but he never wore because he said it's for girls.
It is a girl shirt.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I gave this a gift long time, a few
And you
years
got it in the
ago.
girls department.
And it's so big. So I'm cold. So that's why I'm wearing this. Kasi maginaw. And pagdating namin dito, nagtatalo pa kami kasi ang daming binili. So kaya hindi agad ako nag-vlog kasi ang dami niyang binili. Parang walang katapusan. So ngayon, naglilinis siya ng broccoli rub. Ako naman nagluluto ng pork adobo. Pero nagtatalo kami, alam niyo ba? Nagtatawanan na lang kami. Kasi si Habs nakikinig. Ang ganun mo mukha ni Habs. Nothing. I'm not talking about you. Kaya nagtatawanan na lang kami sa pagtatalo namin kasi yung anak namin nakatunganga, parang nag-alala kung anong nangyayari sa mundo. Tommy and I were talking. This is our normal conversation without camera.
Not my normal conversation.
This is our watching.
Explain whose normal conversation is.
We're watching Mom. Okay, Mom, the series. And then this lady is dealing with the ex-husband and the wife of the ex-husband. So suddenly I said to Tommy, what did I say, Han?
Second wife is a
And you think what I'm going to do?
And he said, well, when you get married, I'm going to be a bitch. I'm
So-
going to come here and be a bitch.
I know. I said I'm gonna. If you were gonna get divorced, guys, you keep hearing me. We keep hearing us about divorce, but that's not gonna happen. Okay, I'm not gonna let Tommy go.
You never hear me say that, guys.
Yeah, you never heard Tommy say that. But it's not gonna happen. You know, he's stuck with me forever. So this is the thing, and I told Tommy that if we're gonna divorce, because I watched the Mom. Okay,
See, she threatens me all the time. She says, I'm stuck with her forever. That's a threat.
Han, you won't like it, honey. Didn't file a paper.
See, guys? Yeah,
Okay. So, okay, I said, if Tommy is gonna get married, guys, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna keep coming here, and then while the wife is here, I'm gonna go jump in bed with Tommy, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If I'm the ex-wife, and I still love my husband so much, so I'm just gonna jump on him on bed while his wife is watching. Tommy just can't stop laughing. Why you think that's funny?
Because I think you're nuts.
I'm nuts? Yes. And I told Tommy, guys. I told Tommy, you know what? You're gonna divorce me. If you're going to divorce me, you will be stuck with me because I won't sign the papers. Okay then. Okay then. Anyway, guys, that about divorce, guys. Anyway, it's not gonna happen. It's just I love this guy so much that I'm willing to go cray-cray. I'm not cray-cray, guys, but but I'm willing to go cray-cray for him. You know what? He loves me.
We'll go cray-cray for a cracker. And I know how to cook.
No, that's the problem. I cannot
Cook
leave
good.
you. No,
Cook good.
I cannot leave you because you don't know how to cook rice.
Guys, really?
You don't know how to cook plain rice.
Plain
You
rice.
can't. Yes, you
There's
can.
no work to plain rice.
Yes, it is.
With a cup of water, it's done.
No.
Press a button, you come back with dings.
Seriously, honey. I used to cook rice without any rice cooker. You know, I'm so good with that. Every
Okay,
time
throw it in a pot with a cup of water.
every time you cook a rice, you count with a
Timer?
measurement. Me,
I do.
we're
I
no,
like to
we
make it perfect.
no. So that means you don't know how to cook rice. We don't use any measuring cup, nothing. We just use our finger. So we finger out the chicken, okay?
You finger the chicken? Oh, that's disgusting. Feather is kinky. Perverted is using the whole chicken.
Han, what is that, Han? I don't get it, Han.
You just said you finger the chicken.
The rice. Did I say chicken?
You said I fingered the chicken.
No, the rice.
Play it back.
Alon.
Play it
Rice.
back.
Rice.
Play it back.
So we finger out the chicken. Rice,
Play
honey.
it back.
I don't know. I'm not gonna play it back.
No, because you know I'm right.
No, I said rice, not chicken.
Play it back.
So we finger out the chicken. Okay, maybe I did chicken. But I meant rice. Cooking, I cooked it very slow yung and then pabayaan ko lang siya dyan. Yung pork. And then, i-mix ko yan mamaya. So, sabi pa ni Tami, I look good with this. What's wrong with him, guys? He said, I look good with this thing. So, hinintay ko lang itong...
They call it too. It's not a girly shirt.
This is the girly. But you can wear this just here, hon.
Girl shirt.
Just here inside the house. What's wrong? I got this because it says coffee solves everything. Oh, it reminds me of Tami.
That's right. You said that on his dress, but you want me to...
Okay, guys. Yun yung loto ni Mr. Broccoli rub niya. Nagkarehan.
Rocky Rob, guys.
Hindi yan humba, guys. Para siyang humba, di ba? Pero adobo yan. Dry adobo. Yung asawa ko, sabi pa niya, bumili ako ng pork. May skin. Maganda siya, guys. Masarap, look. Masarap. Sobrang tender na yan, kaya naghiwa-hiwa-hiwalay na. So, dahil sabi niya, bumili daw siya ng pork. So, ngayon, may skin. Sabi niya, bakit hindi crunchy yung skin? Hindi daw crunchy. So, sabi ko, oh, patay. Gusto pala ng crunchy. Ang gagawin natin, kinuha ko yung fat, yung skin. Ibi-bake, ilagay natin sa oven yung skin na yan para masaya si Mr. Kasi gusto niya ng crunchy. So, yun. Luto na naman tayo ng rice. Kasi masarap yun sa rice yung niluto natin. Hi guys, ito na guys. Look at this guys. Our adobo. Oh my god, it's spicy. Hi. Did you put salt in here? And this is not a regular spicy. What's wrong with you?
Crushed pepper.
You put too much. I told you to put a little bit. If mom still here, she will be unhappy and mad.
No, I can never put that much when she's here.
Huh?
I could never put that much when she's here.
But this is spicy.
I like it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You won't enjoy the broccoli. Ang sarap yung adobo, pero naparami ata yung soy. Mine, the broccoli wrap. Yeah, I know, need salt.
You know what I'm saying, the bird part?
Sabi pa ng kapatid ni kailangan daw mag-dishwasher. You can save electric. Then you can save electric and also, every other day. Every other day yung pag dito. There's no more over there to put here. So now, tomorrow, kailangan na naming magamit ng para ma-sanitize palagi. At also, hindi malakas yung kuryente. So, I'm going to end the vlog very soon. Yun. Thank you so much guys sa panonood. And so, hopefully, babalik kayo dito para bukas. So, ngayon, plano ni sister-in-law, I don't know kung anong plano niya kasi doon siya matulog sa Wednesday. O bukas ng gabi. So, hopefully, kung matuloy ba yung plano niya na na matulog doon, diba? Anyway guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, sir.
Hi guys.
Where are they? Call them na. Call them na, honey. Bro, Roxy, Misty, come in. Hi, Misty. Uy, the bossy. Bye guys.